Hi, my curious growing children. So, once again, Minnie, your grammar buddy, is back with you. And we are at your learning platform, Learn Forward, with your grammar book, The Grammar Hub by Feathercap. You have learned so many topics in grammar. You have learnt about verbs, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, so many parts of speech you have learnt about. And now we'll be working on some speaking skills also. So today we'll be starting chapter 19 of your book, that is the basic conversation. So you converse with people off and on, isn't it? Some people sound very impressive in their conversation and some you start avoiding. Might be they are not using a good language, or they are not well spoken, they are rude enough, or for whatever reason. So let's see how we can make our conversation impressive. Oh, match the pictures with the names. So what do you see here? There are so many pictures and the names are also given. So can you just identify and match them? I hope it's very easy for you. Like this is the snake. This forest they have matched with the group of trees. What's this? Monkey. Very good. So where is the monkey? Okay, it's right up first number. So we'll match these. And then who is this? Can you see this man with a gun also? That is a hunter. And like this, I hope you can match them all. Okay, let's see what next. Now what you have to do, replace the pictures with their names. So do you see all the pictures that are given here with the names to be matched? Same pictures are given here. And you have to replace the pictures with their names and then read the story. So with the help of this picture reading, we are going to complete the story here. Let's do. A crow, a snake, that's perfect, and a monkey lived on a, see now here they have given you just one tree. So they lived on a tree in the, this is a group of trees. What did we name it? Yes, we identified it as forest. In a forest. They were good friends. One day, who is this man? A hunter. Will not say a man, it's a hunter. One day, a hunter came to the forest again. The crow flew away. So, when they all saw the hunter, what all they did? They tried to just run away and defend themselves, protect themselves. So, the crow flew away so the hunter cannot catch him. What did the monkey do? The monkey climbed up the tree immediately. That's so fast at climbing the trees. So the hunter could not reach that also. But what happened? The snake was too slow. It was very slow to crawl. The hunter caught it and he put it in a, what is this, children? This is a bag. Good. So he caught the snake and put it in a bag. What happened then? He took the snake to his, what is it? What picture do you see there? Yes, he took the snake to his house. What did the crow do? Let's see. The crow saw what the hunter was doing. He was flying up, so he could see, he could fly anywhere and he could see what the hunter was doing. And it told the monkey, and it told everything to the monkey. What happened then? The monkey went to the hunter's house at night because everybody was asleep. So the monkey went there at the night. The hunter, good. The hunter was fast asleep because it was night. He was not knowing anything about it, that what's going to happen. So he was fast asleep. The monkey, what did he do? The monkey opened the bag. Yes, this is the bag. And saved the snake. So this is how you will just complete the other words here by identifying the pictures, and you are going to complete the story. So this is how the three friends were there and two of them helped to save the third one. So this is true friendship actually. So here we have one more picture. Let's see what do we have to do. What's everyone doing? Put one of these naming words. See, here we have the list of naming words and one of the doing words. And here we have the list of doing words into each sentence. So first you have to look at the picture. Then you have to pick up the naming word and the action also. With that pair only, you are going to complete these sentences. Let's see how. In the first picture, what do you see? Mr. Jones is, what is he doing? He is smoking. What is he smoking? He is smoking. Where is it? Yes, this is number one. He is smoking. What is he smoking? He is smoking a pipe. So, from the two lists, these two words will help you complete the first sentence. Now, moving to next, Mrs. Joshi is dash the dash. What is Mrs. Joshi doing? Yes, she is reading. So, do we have that word here? She is reading. What is she reading? Paper. So, Mrs. Joshi is reading the paper. Now, in the next, what do you see? Rahul and Sameer are the two boys. What are they doing? They are flying the kites. So, we'll complete this. They are flying their kites like this. Right? So, we'll pick up the action word, we'll pick up the naming word, and we'll complete these sentences. Let's do some more. I hope you can just do this. What are these children doing? Anjali and Ravi are, what are they doing? They are picking. What are they picking? They are picking the flowers. So, that way you can complete. This is not number 4, this is number 3, sorry. So, we are just making the pairs for each sentence like this and we are completing. What is this boy doing? Yes, rowing the boat. So, this is your number 5 here and this also, both from the first group. Now, what is this girl doing, this woman doing? That is pushing. And what is she pushing? She is pushing the pram. Okay, do we have that here? Yes, it's right here. So, looking at the next 4 pictures, I hope you'll be able to make the pairs and complete these sentences. Can you? That's wonderful. And you'll really love to do it yourself, I'm sure. Moving to the next. Wow, we have a picture of a garden. Yes, let's see what do we have to do. Choose words from the list which name the things shown in the picture below. So, here is a help box to you. Some names are given. You just have to choose the names of the things that you see in the picture. See what I told you, what is picture reading? You just have to read, you just have to write whatever you see there. You don't have to go beyond that. You don't have to explore your imagination, right? So, here they are asking, just pick out the words only that you can see in this picture. So, let's see what all do we see here, and those words you are going to write here. Okay. So, we start with the first one. Do you see a hat here? Yes, it's here. So, we'll write hat here. Next word is birds. So, do you see birds also here? Perfect. I can see them here. So, it's already mentioned here. The next word is fence. So, what is a fence, children? The boundary around anything. It can be of wood. It can be of that string also. You can use a rope for a boundary. Sometimes you use plants also. You grow the plants around something. That is also fencing, right? So, do we have fence here? Yes, we have this fencing here, wooden fencing. So, this is also a part here. Next, monkey. Do you see that? Oh no, I can't see one. Next, flowers. Of course, they are there. And log. What is the log, children? Log is the cut part of a tree trunk. So can you see that here? Good. Yes, this is your log. Next. Yes, a house is right there. This is your house. Next, a ball. The children are playing with the ball. So I can see two balls here. That's also correct. Clouds, do we see here? No. So we are not going to write. Do you see books also here? No way. This is a park. Do you carry your books to the park? And anyhow, I cannot see that here. So I'm going to cross. We don't see a television also here. So students, what you have to do here? Only the things that you see here in the picture, those words you have to bring down and write here in the list, right? If you need more of the space, you can add them. And if you think there is something extra, you can just leave that. So I hope rest you can do yourselves. Good. So that will be interesting for you. Seems you are excited to do that yourself. It's very easy actually. Picture reading is just writing what you can see there. That's it. So we'll be coming ahead with more sessions in grammar. Till then, happy learning.